Today we're making pumpkin bread, and like all the other quick breads, it's really easy. So start with your sugar, then your flour, your baking soda, your salt, and your pumpkin pie spice. Whisking is really to make sure that the baking soda is all broken up. You don't want to bite into a big chunk of baking soda. It's gross. The pumpkin, the eggs, sour cream, melted butter, and vanilla. Stir everything together. Once that's all stirred together, set it aside. Take your mixer and mix 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick, with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Take your loaf pan, spray it with nonstick spray. Put your softened cream cheese. Take a little spatula or a knife, whatever you gotta use, to spread that out as evenly as you can over the top. Put that right in. Smooth that out over the top. Right into a preheated 325-degree oven. Here's a variation just in case cream cheese isn't for you. This is oats, brown sugar, flour, pepitas, and butter. Just mix that up. Just a couple minutes, you're gonna get a crumbly mixture. And pour the entire thing right over the top. Out evenly right into your preheated 325-degree oven. These each took about an hour and 15 minutes to bake through. So go ahead and unmold them so they can cool completely. Be careful when you're unmolding the crumb topping one so you don't knock off all the topping. But there you go. Pumpkin bread 2 ways.